An effective way to catch all fruit flies. Just take a small container, pour in a bit of juice, and add 3 pumps of dish soap. Mix it well, cover it with aluminum foil, and poke a few small holes in the top. Then place the trap next to your fruit and wait. The flies will be drawn to the scent and quickly get trapped inside. A simple method that works every time. 2 ways that have kept my house spider-free for several years. The first method is a spray bottle with water and an additive. Pour water into the bottle and add a few drops of peppermint oil. Mix well and spray around windows, doors, and corners. Then gently rub the mixture into the frames. The minty scent effectively repels spiders and makes the house smell fresh and clean. The second method is washing the floor with added oil. Pour water into the bucket, add a few drops of orange oil, and wash the floor as usual. The orange aroma spreads throughout the entire house. Spiders can't stand citrus scents, so they stay away. You get cleanliness and a pleasant aroma. The third method is whole cinnamon. Place it in different spots around the house, on windowsills, shelves, near doors, or in corners. Its intense smell keeps spiders and other insects away. Additionally, it gives your home a warm, cozy atmosphere. 3 simple ingredients you already have at home. The result can truly surprise you. Everything is natural, chemical-free, and leaves a beautiful scent throughout the whole place. Collect them on a walk and place them on the windowsill. Spiders hate them. All arachnids can cause unease when you see them indoors, but there are several effective ways to keep them away. First and foremost, maintaining cleanliness and order is essential, as spiders often seek refuge in clutter. To deter spiders, it's worth using scents they dislike, such as lavender, peppermint, or tea tree oil. Spray these oils in areas where spiders might enter your home, like windows and doors. Cinnamon is another great option for spider control. Just sprinkle it in areas where spiders are likely to appear. Cinnamon is also effective against ants. You can also use acorns to ward off spiders. Place them in small bowls, and you'll create a natural barrier against arachnids. It's believed that the tannins and other natural compounds in acorns repel spiders. Try these simple methods, and you won't have to worry about spiders anymore.
In the fall, I gather this plant and make a spider repellent spray from it. It is one of the most effective natural repellents. Common wormwood is a perennial herb. It blooms from June to September. Its small yellow flowers can be noticed along roads, fields, and in the forests. The plant has a very distinctive scent. It repels mosquitoes, spiders, moths, ants, and even ticks. Pick a few plants and prepare an infusion from them. Put the wormwood twigs in water and brew them. After straining, transfer it to a small spray bottle. Spray generously on windowsills and window and door frames. Mosquitoes won't come near, and spiders will stop entering the house. You can also dry the plant and keep it on the windowsill or in kitchen cabinets. The scent effectively deters food moths. Many people consider wormwood an unnecessary plant. However, it turns out it has many properties. Did you know about them? My grandmother used to place chestnuts on the windowsill and by the door at the beginning of autumn. This way, she protected the house from a disgusting invasion. Whenever I see chestnuts, I bring them home. They have amazing properties that most people are unaware of. It turns out that the chestnut trick effectively repels spiders. Our ancestors have been using this natural trick for generations. Chestnuts have a scent that is irritating and repelling to spiders. All you need to do is make holes in the shells or lightly crush them. Then, place them on windowsills and by the entrance doors. The more chestnuts we spread in critical areas, the stronger their effect will be. Spiders and other bugs will steer clear of them.
Hang a bag of water on a tree, and you won't believe the benefits. This method is truly impressive. Start with a simple plastic bag. Then, prepare aluminum foil. This is the key ingredient. Tear off a piece and divide it into 4 smaller sections, rolling each into a small ball. In a container, pour 500 milliliters of vinegar and dilute it with water. Add a few drops of peppermint oil. Its strong scent acts as a natural repellent. Then, throw in some cloves to enhance the effect. Pour this mixture into the plastic bag and drop in the aluminum foil balls. Tie the bag securely and use a screwdriver to make small holes in the upper part. This will allow the scent to release gradually. Hang the bag on a tree branch, a door, or a window. The combination of reflected light from the foil and the strong scent will keep insects away. Try this trick and enjoy a peaceful space without unwanted guests. Sprinkle cloves onto a piece of cotton wool. This trick will help you eliminate household problems. Take a wet baby wipe and place the cotton wool on it to act as a scent carrier. Then, sprinkle the cloves on top. Cloves have antibacterial and antifungal properties and a strong scent that repels certain insects. Drizzle some lime juice, which adds antibacterial and refreshing qualities. Roll up the cotton with the cloves, then fold everything inside the baby wipe. Tie the ends with a string or rubber band. These little bundles are a lifesaver if you have pests in your home. Place them in your closet to protect your clothes from moths. You can also put them on shelves. These bundles will keep bugs away and leave a pleasant scent for a long time. After a few days, when the scent fades, replace them with new ones to keep your clothes smelling fresh. You can also experiment with different scents to find the perfect combination for your wardrobe. If you do this, moths, ants, and cockroaches will flee from your home. You'll never have bugs in your kitchen again. If you spot pantry moths in your kitchen, act immediately. These insects can infest anywhere that's dry and has plenty of food. Grab a bowl and some ground coffee. 3 tablespoons will be perfect. Coffee gives off a strong scent that repels insects, discouraging them from settling in cupboards or pantries. Take a few bay leaves and crush them into smaller pieces. Bay leaves also work as a natural repellent due to their strong essential oils, which insects avoid. Add a tablespoon of ground pepper as well. Pepper contains piperine, which irritates insects. It not only repels bugs but also disrupts their communication and navigation abilities. Wrap everything in a small packet and poke holes in it. Place it in different areas. Ants, flies, moths, and aphids avoid areas where they smell these spices. Putting them where insects appear helps protect your food from pests. Put black pepper under your bed. It might sound like it doesn't make any sense, but it actually makes a lot of sense. This is a really clever trick that can solve many of your problems. All you need is 1 tablespoon of whole black peppercorns. Toss the pepper into a grinder and grind it up. Freshly ground pepper from a grinder has a better aroma than pre-ground pepper you buy at the store. Now, sprinkle the pepper around the windowsills, door frames, and even on your table. But the most important place to focus on is your bed. For a long-lasting effect, take some aluminum foil, place the pepper in the foil, fold it up, and then use a toothpick to poke holes in the packet. This way, the aroma will seep out through the holes, and you'll avoid making a mess. Place this packet under your bed. It also works perfectly in your wardrobe. In a moment, I'll explain why. Another effective method is to mix the pepper with warm water. Take a jug of warm water and add the pepper. Let it sit for 24 hours, then strain the mixture through a filter. Use a funnel to pour the liquid into a spray bottle. Now, here's what it's for. Black pepper has a strong aroma that repels all sorts of insects like mosquitoes, wasps, moths, ants, bed bugs, and many others. Additionally, if the neighbor's cat does its business in your garden, you can spray the area with this pepper water solution. This mixture also deters mice and rats. As you can see, pepper has many uses beyond the kitchen.